How to fix Twitter cannot retrieve. So if you want to fix your Twitter which says cannot retrieve, then what you can do is you can simply open up your settings on your device. And once you open your settings, now you can simply scroll down, and here you may have apps and notifications, or you may have apps. Simply tap on that apps and go for see all apps, and you can go for the upper right which has that search icon, and you can search for Twitter. But after searching Twitter, if your app is not visible, then you can search for X. And once you search for X, now you can simply tap on that X application, and here you can go for storage and cache. And once you go for storage and cache, you can go for clear cache, which is on the right side. And after tapping on clear cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back, and now you can remove that, and you can open up your Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, check your internet connection. And after checking your internet connection, now you can simply go for the upper side which has that search bar, and you can search for Twitter or X. And once you search for that, instead of this open button, if you have an update button, then simply tap on update and update your application. And once you've updated your application, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply tap and hold on to that power button of your mobile, and here you will get restart option. So you can simply tap on restart, and after restarting your device, your problems might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to retrieve on Twitter, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.